product development requires recognizing and honing in on the magical overlap between desirability, feasibility, and viability, where innovation lives. Product managers constantly have to defend the balance among these domains, opposing forces that compete to pull a product too far in one direction at the expense of others. This means saying no many times to many people throughout the product development journey. Before you say no, remember not to do it too quickly. Even if you understand the request is unreasonable, you will need to listen first to minimize your blind spot. If you still need to say no, try not to do it in a binary way, black and white, right or wrong. Ask your stakeholders how valuable this feature is to them instead of this feature valuable to you. The next trick is to frame the question whenever possible. Ask your stakeholders why they need to remove or add a feature and ask it in a friendly and insightful way. Even a proper request can benefit you if you dig another level deeper into it. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.